Myself PRASAD ATANUR. I completed MCA in CMRIT College, Bangalore. I joined JSpiders in the month of June. Within 4 months, I selected in arterial technology with 2.5 LPA package, and with the help of Pooja ma'am, Anupama ma'am, uh, and all faculties. Because of them, I got selected in arterial technology. They trained well, and also giving good grooming classes. Before I am coming to JSpiders, I don't know anything about coding languages and web technology. When I am joining the JSpiders, I know about Java, HTML, SQL, and web technology. And if you want 100% placement, you have to join the JSpiders Hebbal Branch. It is useful to you. So the special and finally, especially thanks to HR team and JSpiders as a whole team. Thank you.